Hi, this is the homepage of FullBrain. As you can see, it resembles many other social networks that we use every day. Here we have posts that are made by people, and this depends on the people, the concepts, and the courses that we follow. To find a university course, we can either search on the search bar here on the top of the page, or we can go through the Explore Courses page. Here we can see the list of available universities in the platform, and if we select one university, we access the list of the entire courses that we can find in the platform. Here we can include or uninclude different courses, and when we include a course, this goes in the Your Courses sections on the left side of the page. From here, we have quick access to the courses that we are currently following. If, for example, we look at the Base di Dati 1 at the University of Padua, we can see that in the course page, we can include and uninclude a course. We can see the list of all the students that are currently following that course. And then we have the post. If we want to create a new post, then we can click on here, and then we can choose between a standard post or a question post. Then we can select and decide to post anonymously if we don't want the other people to know that it's us to create the post. If it's a question post, then we can insert a title, for instance, how to solve equation in Python. And then we can insert a description. When we insert the description, we can format the text using bold, italic, list. We can insert a link, for instance, like this. For example, www.fullbrain.org. And then what's interesting here is that we can share math. So since we are trying to solve the equation, we can share the equation that we're trying to solve. In this case, let's say square root of x. And this is very simple with this UI. But additionally, we can share code. So in our case, it's a Python code. So we can select the Python language, and then we can copy and paste the snippet. Or for instance, in this case, we're just typing the function solve equation. And then we can go ahead and share our question in the course page. Here we have some examples of previous students. We can see that questions are tagged and displayed in different ways than standard post, as well as for anonymous. We can like posts, we can comment posts and reply to other people's comments, and then we can share. Finally, if students believe that this post is not appropriate for the course for different reasons, they can come here and report the post to us, specifying the reason why the post isn't appropriate. But in FullBrain, you can also share material. Here we have the sources sections. To share a source, we have to compile this form, which has the source title, the source link, some notes describing how to use the source, tags that are relevant for the source type, for instance, article or video, the source level, and we can also set the learning style, for instance, watching, if it's a video, and then the publication date. Here, if we take this example, we can see first that we can sort the sources based on different parameters, as well as filter them based on the metadata that we inserted previously. And then in this example, we can see that Vittorio Carmignani shared this source. We have all the metadata here. And then for a source, students can comment and share the source. But what's more important is that they can review a source. So if they believe that this is a good source for the course, then they can assign 5 stars rate, or they can, if it's not good, then they can give a lower rate. So this is pretty much what you can do FullBrain. And if you need to add a new course on FullBrain, then you can go on Explore More Courses, and then click on Request. And then finally, you just need to fill out this quick form and send it to us. And then we'll add your course as soon as possible in the platform. So thanks a lot, and we hope that you will join us.